have a first participant today, CA Manish Bhansali ji. Over to you, Manish ji.
Perfect. Thank you, sir. Please confirm if I'm audible.
Yes.
Perfect. Hello, everyone. I am CA Manish Bhansali, hailing from Gadag, Karnataka, and we help businesses use tech in their businesses and operations and help them save time. Sir, there is some disturbance. If you can mute them. Perfect. Thank you, sir. So I'll restart. Hello, everyone. I am CA Manish Bhansali. I hail from Gadag, Karnataka, and we help businesses use technology in their day-to-day operations and save time. So on and off, I've been meeting MSMEs, and one thing, whenever you meet an MSME client, they tell is, Manish bhai dhanda nahi hai. So all of them have the same thing that dhanda nahi ho raha hai. And then they have their own justification for that. Dhanda nahi hai क्योंकि marketing nahi ho raha hai. Marketing nahi hai क्योंकि हमारे पास analyzed data nahi hai. एनालाइज डेटा नहीं है क्योंकि हमारे पास एनालिस्ट नहीं है, मार्केटर नहीं है, हमारे पास अकाउंटेंट स्मार्ट नहीं है, ऑल ऑफ दैट, राइट? एवरीवन इज ऑलमोस्ट फायर फाइटिंग देयर ओन बिजनेस. बट then we thought that why should we not have something with AI where everything is stitched together, from accountant to an analyst to a marketer to a sales team and finally management. Everything gets stitched together in one go, so that the businessman doesn't have to hire multiple people for different roles. I'll quickly jump into the presentation. Sir, is my screen visible?
Yes.
Okay. So the topic for today, what we've chosen is last mile marketing using AI. So here we're going to show you how we're going to transform MSMEs and how they optimize the data for marketing success, clubbing accountants, analysts, marketers, sales team, and management functions. At the end of the day, goal of every goal is sales in business. So we are finally reaching sales through marketing. So I'll go to the data now. So I have a sample tally data here. Like you can see, it's dated 31st March 2021. And I'll go to display more reports. Then I'll go to statement of accounts. And from here, statistics. And from here, sales. I'll simply open this and select the period of entire year. Now, this data is only having the name of debtors and also the amounts. But I want the inventory details, so I'll go on F12 and I'll say I need a detailed report with bill wise and with inventory. And I'll say Control A. And this is the report what we've got, right? So to save time, I've already exported this report and I've saved it here. You can see here, it's the sales register, what I've saved it here. So I have created a custom GPT, and over the time, I've trained it to think like a CXO. So I've named the tool called AI powered CXO. It's just loading. I'll show you in a minute. Yeah. So this is called AI powered CXO, which thinks like a CXO. You don't have to hire chief marketing officer, sales officer. It does all the jobs for you. So here we have already done the chat to save the time so that I can explain the product better. So we uploaded the sales register, and as soon as we uploaded the sales register, it's asking me what analysis do you want? Do you want sales performance? Do you want customer analytics? Do you want item analytics? And all of that. So going down, I replied with sales performance, and here, even if there's any spelling mistake, it will pick it up because it's AI. So it's given me a beautiful analysis where it's telling what are the quarterly sales, monthly highlights, growth trends, average metrics. It's also telling me average order value or average sales per customer, repeat versus one-time customers. This is a good data for me, festive insight, and all this details. With this, only analysis makes no sense if you don't have any actionable takeaway from there. So we also have email drafts here, which tells what exactly should we do with this data. So for example, customer appreciation for all the customers of this year, we will send an appreciation mail saying, thank you for being part of 2020 and 21. And then we'll write, we have achieved 15% growth. The same way, there is a mail also drafted for internal team. We are giving little more details about the numbers. We are telling we have achieved 62.45 lakhs, which is 15% year-on-year growth. And when it comes to investor, we are also telling about what are we foreseeing in the next year, right? So like this, we have all the mails ready here. And if we integrate this with mail merge or some tool like that, we can automatically pick the investor details, the names, the email IDs, and we can shoot the emails. And mind you, these are not generic figures. These are exactly related to the data the mail is being shot to. Coming down, I've asked who are these unique customers, and it has given me a reply that these are the unique customers. Now the sales team is aware of whom to call and what to talk, because they exactly know these customers have bought only once. There's an invoice count 1. Coming down, I've asked what else can you do? So it has given me sales performance, customer analytics, product analytics, exception reports, all of that. For brevity of time, I have just chosen customer analytics, and it's also given me such beautiful reports where it's telling me these are the new customers, these are the lost customers, returning customers. So in case we have separate team who are only looking about retention, we can actually give them this report and tell your retention target for next year would be, say, let's say count of 5. So this will be a wonderful insight for them. And like this, we have all the multiple reports. What are the other categories do you analyze? So there are other categories which I've mentioned, and we can see all of them one by one. We also have this upsell opportunities where if I tell them, for example, there are complementary products like nuts and bolts. And if I tell, give me a list of customers who bought nuts but not bolts, it will exactly give me a list of customers. And now my sales team knows what to talk to the customer when they're on a call with them, right? Coming down, so let's say I have the data here, but I've already uploaded to save time. And I've said Amul dark chocolate, the rate has reduced from 250 rupees to 242. Who in my customers should know about this, right? So I've come down, and here you can see these are the customers who have bought Amul dark chocolate from me. This data is being picked from the sales register, and it's showing saving per unit and projected savings, right? Now, the interesting part is here where there is a customized email which is being drafted, which we can shoot to the customers, which tells, for example, if it's shooted to Manish, it will say, tell dear Manish, good news, with a new price of Amul dark chocolate, you're saving so and so. And mind you, here is a variable. This can be picked from the exact data. For example, if you're talking about alpha provisions, it will pick 10,000 as data. If you're talking about Anup and co, it will pick 7,200 as data. So this is how we can send the apt message or email to the exact customer. Then let's say we have an offer, the GST 2.0 has come from 22nd of September. So let's say we are running an offer up to 21st of September, and we want to mass mail all those customers who have bought Bosch vacuum cleaner from us. So I've just asked that who should be knowing about Bosch vacuum cleaner offer and how much do they save. So it has calculated for me. So for example, assuming they buy the same quantity, Superfoods would be saving 60,000. Like this, there are multiple things that we can do. In case I tag the salesman, for example, I tell these are the customers taken care by these salesmen. It is also giving me salesman analysis report where it's showing me Rajiv Telrecha is the best salesman, Raj Shaman is the second best salesman, Tanmay Bhatt is the third best salesman. So everything is being done here in one tool, and the business owner doesn't really require multiple people in his team. Finally, and the most important part, interesting part is this, where we have given them the ignore the name and email here. This is just done for the demo, but we can just give the departments of these are the departments in our office. Then I've written a prompt. What are the important mails that should be shot to all the heads of department talking only about sales in Q4? So now you can see this report. So to management, it will just give the overview, bird's eye view of in Q4 was the best quarter. These are the sales we did. These are the what happened in March. Repeat customers were this. So it gives a bird's eye view. But when we come to marketing team, it's exactly telling what's relevant to them. For example, to marketing, high value dropouts are relevant. So it's telling Shine retailers and Rapid Mart. They've not ordered from a long time. Top performing customers. So this is a good data for marketing team because they can go back and evaluate what ad campaigns had run for these customers, alpha provisions, and what has worked for them and what has worked not worked for others. Like that, it will also give actions like what should they do next. So for example, for marketing team, it's telling launch re-engage campaigns, highlight new pricing or Diwali offers, build a thank you festive campaign, right? In the same way, for sales head, it's digging a little more deeper. It tells, dear Krishna, Q4 sales was so and so. This was a north sales, this was south sales, but it also gives action points telling upskill sales reps to convert spread into value, right? This is understanding by itself, because one benefit of using AI for this and not Excel is it also understands if I'm selling biscuits, and it understands that I'm selling biscuits, and probably the person who buys biscuits also buys namkeen, right? This is the best part of this. So we can also figure out cross-sell and upselling opportunities is what this tool is telling us. Next is the inventory head. Now, inventory head doesn't care about sales. All he cares about, whenever order comes, do I have the ready stock or not? So to inventory head, it's giving the exact details. It's telling what are the fast moving goods, what are the slow moving goods, what are the price sensitive demands. And then it's telling that stock up on fast movers ahead of Q1 campaigns, prepare inventory for festive surges in Q3, Q4. And like this, no matter how many departments you have, it will automatically create draft a mail like a CXO would do. Let's say if you're talking about marketing, like a chief marketing officer would do. If you're talking about sales, like a chief sales officer would do, and it will exactly give the details that is required. And again, I repeat, this is only by uploading sales register, and it's not restricted to Tally. It can be Zoho, it can be QuickBooks, any format of sales register that you have, which has inventory, which has the stock and everything. It will automatically pick up and it will give beautiful reports. Like this, we have around 50 plus reports that has been coming, and it is also understanding with time. And if you do it multiple times, it will probably throw some insights. Like if you give it a example that I am into business of sweaters, so it will tell you that probably in the spring or in the winter you will need more sweaters and you'll have to order now. So this is also possible through this tool. So this is what we've built, and I'm done with my presentation and open for questions. Thank you.
Go ahead, Shubham.
Yes, very nice presentation, Manish. My only question to you is, how do you ensure contextual accuracy and brand consistency while using AI-generated creatives? Like you are uploading sales register into your custom GPT. How you are ensuring the accuracy of the reports which are generated? Can you just side by side, can you just prove your accuracy that whatever information being generated by the custom GPT is accurate with regards to the sales register?
Perfect. I can do it. I can do it. Let's say we're talking about let's say, can I take this example? Alpha provision 6.8
Yes, yes,
lakhs.
anyone.
Okay. So here I'll just first tell what was the prompt. The prompt was, these are the salesmen handling these customers. So who is the best performing salesman? So it's given me that Rajiv Talrecha, who's handling 2 customers, has a total sales of 10.7 lakhs. So now I'll go to Alpha provisions and let's see what is the total sales of Alpha provisions. Okay, this has some cross entries also, so probably in the moment we'll not be able to verify. But if I only take sales entry,
Okay.
it will come to the same amount.
Okay.
I can just put a filter and try. It's showing as 6.8 lakhs. Here it's showing as 7.8 lakhs. Okay, I missed this. Sorry, I missed the cash sales.
The last 1 minute is left.
Ma'am, I'm done with my presentation. We are looking for Q&A.
Yes, you continue, Manish. No problem.
Yeah.
Yes, please continue, Manish.
Okay. I guess. Sorry, I'm checking the wrong data. I can directly come here and check. Give me 1 minute. I'll just find it.
So in between that, Manish, have you Shubham, you completed from your side?
Yes, you can
Yes,
ask
okay.
her.
So Manish, just show me the instruction of your custom GPT.
Sure, sir. Do you want me to complete this or first show the instructions?
No, just complete this because the process
Yeah.
is going on. That's why I was.
Okay.
It's done to then show this first.
Yeah, sure. Here it is, sir. It's 13.9 lakhs.
Yes, it's
Because of-
13.9 lakhs here. And what's in in our final report of custom GPT?
It's showing 86.8 lakhs. I guess
Okay,
there's something
anyway.
which I'm missing. But the earlier things which I tried, it was working fine. Maybe it needs some tweak.
Mhm.
No, it's okay. It's
Yes,
a hallucination is there. No problem.
Yes, yes.
So the
True.
thing me show me this instruction in
Sure.
your
Sure,
custom
sure.
GPT.
Yeah. Here it is, sir. So I've told
Okay.
it to.
And give me that uploads you did.
I've
Your
done.
source data. Knowledge
I've
base.
not.
What is knowledge base? You
No
didn't
knowledge
provide any
base.
knowledge base.
No knowledge
Okay.
based. Because
Thank
this
you
is
so much,
generic.
Manish.
Yeah.
Yes,
Sure.
thank you so much.
Sure, sir.
Yes, thank you so much, Manish.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yes. We can have